welcome back to Kimoy's World. In this video, I'll be doing a unboxing for Dolago hair. Alright, let's get right into it. This is the box. This is the shipping. It came through DHL and I received this within 3 to 4 days. So, I already opened the box when I first received it because I had to make sure it was the right hair. This is the box that it comes in. It says Dolago human hair. And yeah. So they give you a wig cap, which is pretty cool. Don't have to buy this. So this is the wig out of the packaging. Came in the bag. You know, the tissue and the hairnet, like most companies do. They also give you a band, so if you wanted to like sew under your wig to make it tighter before you put it on or glue it on, then this is very helpful to secure your wig. The construction of the wig, you have 3 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the side, and then actually 4 combs. You have 4 combs within the wig. And then you have a strap in the back of the wig to adjust it, to make it tighter. This is a medium-sized cap. My head is not really that big, but I didn't want to put a small just in case it was too small for my head, so I got a medium. So you can adjust the cap, and you also have combs that help secure your wig on your head. This is a full lace wig, actually a full frontal wig, so only the top is lace. There's no lace at the back. This is 13 by 4. It has baby hair and it's pre-plucked, so the wig comes pre-plucked for you with baby hairs, and the lace is also bleached, so I do not have to bleach the lace. When you do go online, if you decide to purchase this wig, it allows you to choose the lace that you want, the lace color that you want. So you can get light brown, medium brown, or dark brown for your waist. This wig is 250 density, so this wig is really thick. For curly hair, personally, I like to get a lot of hair because it sheds. Well, in general, curly hair sheds a lot more, and you know, you still want a full head of hair, so this is why I got that much density. But it does make the roots thick, so plucking might be, you know, tiring, but it's worth it. So far the hair feels really soft. I'm running my fingers through it, not getting any shedding. Actually, I got 2 strands, but you know, nothing that's not manageable. Also, the curl pattern on this wig, this is their deep curly hair. This is not deep wave, deep curly. It's really nice. I really like it. I have not put any products, anything in this hair, as you guys can see. Fresh out the box, and it does have that factory smell, but that's okay. I'm gonna co-wash this hair before I put it in my head and let you guys see how it looks. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looked prior to putting it on. This wig is also 22 inches. I must say, just from looking at it, there seems to be a few long pieces compared to like the top of the wig, so I might have to cut that off. Well, I will have to cut that off. But so far the hair looks pretty good. I will be co-washing the hair, and I will be posting a video with this wig on, so you guys can look out for that video to see the final look and to see how this wig holds up. So far the wig is pretty good. I had 1 or 2 strands of hair, so there is shedding, but it's not much. Aside from that, the wig is really nice. I can tell you guys that just by the curl pattern. It looks really good. I will be leaving the details for this wig in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase this hair, I will be leaving the link. The color is natural, the length, the style, everything down in the description box, so please go check it out.